Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh, and this week's tech tip is centered around making a campaign through Facebook ads. That's right everybody, I want to help you learn how to make a Facebook ad campaign so you can generate leads for pennies on the dollar. First, we're going to hop into Command, and once you're in Command, we need to check a few things. Follow me on over. If you will click on your name and then choose the Settings option, we need to make sure that your Facebook business page has been connected to the Ads Manager. If it is not connected, go ahead and do so now. If you don't have a Facebook business page, go ahead and make one and then come back to this video. Once you've ensured that everything's connected, we need to go ahead on over to the Campaigns applet. And once we're in the applet, we're going to choose Create a New Campaign in the top right-hand corner. Next, you'll want to choose Social Ad. And this is very important here. There's two things you need to do. First of all, we're going to name our campaign. And the most effective advertising campaigns that we've come up with all seem to do with advertising a listing. So you could advertise multiple listings, or you could advertise for buyers to attract them. But what we have found to generate the most leads is to advertise one of your own listings. And in the event that you don't have a listing to advertise, reach out to one of the other agents in our brokerage and ask if you can advertise their listing at your expense. So I'm going to choose Advertise Listing, and then I'll click on Facebook and select Set Up Campaign. It's now going to ask us to find the property. So I'm going to punch in the property for the campaign that I want to look for. And in this case, I'm advertising a property that's already pending. So I have to select in my status the pending option. Once you find the property, choose the Select button. And now we can get started with our actual advertisement. Notice here at the top where it says Name and Goal, that's already been set. Next, we want to check our ad text. This ad text has automatically been brought in through the MLS, but you can see here that I can customize my headline. You'll also want to put in another description that will grab people's attention. Once you've finished typing this in, make sure to click Save Ad Text. From here on, we can move to the media portion. Click the Configure button, and once in here, we can add additional images from our hard drive, and we can select to include our ownership statement, which is important in our advertisements. And don't forget to include your Market Center's logo. I keep mine saved on my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop that in now. Next, I'll click Save Ad Media. And lastly, I will want to check over here under the Facebook ad and configure that as well. Notice it's asking me to assign it to my business page, and it's giving me options of follow-up destinations to send people after they click on the ad. So for instance, I've already made a landing page for this property, which I will choose now. Once I've seen everything that I like here, and notice that the ad defaults to everyone within 20 miles of the property, which you can change, but keep in mind that these ads are already targeting people who are most likely to buy a home. I'm going to choose Save Facebook Ad. I can change my duration and budget. Currently, I have my budget set to $30 and 10 days for the duration, which will break down to $3 a day. Once I have set my budget to where I want it to be, I will click Save Duration and Budget, and some of you may be wondering, should I spend more than that? In testing, we've found that no more than spending $50 per ad will generate any more leads, so never spend more than $50 an ad. If you want to spend $100 on advertising, make multiple ads and run them at the same time, all right? So once you can see that I have green check marks in every single field, and I've previewed the ad over here and it looks good to me, then I can click Publish Campaign, which will submit it to Facebook for compliance, and within 24 hours pending review, we'll be live and we'll start generating leads in my contacts database. Once you've generated a lead, if you click on your Contact button, and we go to our filters and choose Leads Only and Apply, you will notice that it will show you all of the leads that I have received off of the last ad that I ran. Once again, I hope that this is helpful to your business, and I hope that it adds value to your business and to your life. I am Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer with your tech tip for the week, and I'm always here to help you. Have a great week and see you around the office.